Wealth. Your professional and personal wealth is stable and will continue to increase. This year, you may find opportunities to expand your network and enter business deals and partnership with others. Career. This is a promising career-strong year with good opportunity luck. Always outperform and do more than you expected to, as this will bring favorable attention to you. Love. Keep yourself away from gossips and maintain a cool and rational head when it comes to your relationship with loved ones. Be faithful and loving to your partner to avoid loss of fortune. Romantic temptations out of the household may lead you to lose focus and neglect your work. Health. Maintain a healthy diet and abstain from drinking too much alcohol. Consider cutting down evenings you spend socializing. If you encounter stress, avoid getting overwhelmed by accepting that it is part of normal life and that it too shall pass.